This video will demonstrate the installation of the MHG coffee grinder. Grinder will not operate unless a hopper with a coffee name is programmed into the chip and is placed on the grinder. Plug in the grinder into a power source. Place a hopper on top of the grinder with rear of hopper in front of metal gate and inside of center divider. Push hopper straight back until fully engaged on top of the grinder. When the hopper is fully engaged, the LCD screen will display coffee name. Press and hold the right hidden button to enter the setup menu. When the Name Hopper screen appears, select Yes. When Which Side screen appears, select either the right or left button, press Previous or Next to move to another flavor. After you have chosen the flavor to be used, select the middle button under Save. The display screen will read, "Are you sure?" Press Yes to save. Press No to restart the program. After pressing Yes, the display screen will read, "Please wait." Coffee name will be saved in the hopper. To remove the hopper, grasp the handle and pull straight forward until the rear of the hopper is clear of the metal gate, then remove. Remove the top lid. Clear all foreign objects and shipping material from the hopper compartment. Fill the hopper compartments with whole bean coffee. Each hopper has a 5 pounds capacity. The grinder is now ready for use.